Hello everyone, my name is Shirley Sinatra Gran. I am from College of Computing, Informatics and Mathematics, Universiti Teknologi Sarawak branch Sarawak. In this video, I would like to present a study on the usefulness of a real-time computer programming learning platform. These are the list of contents for my presentation. The first one is the introduction, followed by literature review, methodology, results and discussion, and the last one is the conclusion. As for the introduction, programming is a crucial skill in today's modern world since it allows people to build software, solve issues, and express their ideas. However, according to the RISMA 2020, the learning process is often considered boring and hard to learn, particularly for novices who may encounter issues such as installing and configuring software, comprehending syntax and semantics, diagnosing errors, and locating appropriate information and help. Traditional teaching and learning methods such as physical lectures, video lectures, reading materials, and online quizzes are insufficient for effective computer programming education. Conducting hands-on coding laboratory sessions during classes is difficult because the students tend not to participate in the sessions. Students also having trouble doing programming group work synchronously. The coding files must be obtained and it will be distributed over various media such as WhatsApp and email. Moving on to integrated development environments or IDEs, it consists of tools for editing, compiling, and running specific program types, and the default settings are often adequate. However, the conventional IDEs are designed for more complex projects and programs with complicated user interfaces. Some operating systems may not support the IDEs. Therefore, students also encounter difficulties installing and configuring the IDEs on their devices. Additionally, lecturers cannot assist students in real time with debugging programming issues when using the IDE to program on the devices. Thus, according to Harvard 2018, the teaching, learning, and problem-solving effectiveness is greatly impacted by selecting the appropriate programming environment. The emergence of online learning platforms have revolutionized the way students learn and interact with educational content. Online learning platforms have made education more accessible and affordable for students worldwide. It also provides students with interactive tools and resources to learn and practice new skills. Online learning platforms is also flexible and convenient for students who are unable to attend traditional classroom settings. However, not all online platforms are equally effective and user-friendly. Some platforms forcing users to download and install software, only supporting a few programming languages, providing restricted feedback and collaborative tools, or having obsolete or incorrect content. Reply is a web-based platform that tries to overcome this restriction by providing users with robust and user-friendly tools for online programming education. Reply allows users to write, run, and share code in various programming languages without any software installation or configuration. Therefore, this study aims to investigate the usefulness of Reply as a teaching and learning tool to enhance student motivation in learning computer programming. It will also explore the impact of Reply as a teaching tool on students' programming abilities. These are the previous related works on Reply conducted by a few researchers. Jane et al. 2023 and Liao et al. 2017 mention on the convenience of online platform in terms of its easy access anytime and anywhere, whereas Kusu Maningtyas et al. 2020 highlight that Reply only require minimal data transfer, which is recommended for students with inadequate internet data. Cooper et al. And Rahman et al. 2020, exploring Repli using a single programming language, and students had a greater level of comfort and confidence while using Repli, and they enjoy the Repli's feature that reducing the amount of time required for troubleshooting, to name a few. Imbupitia et al. 2020 and Kodagoda et al. 2021 appraised Repli for its interactive interface, while Krismadinata et al. 2023 stated that collaborative programming can improve understanding, programming skills, and critical thinking. Hence, Repli has been selected for this study to gain feedback from students on the usefulness of this online programming learning platform. From previous studies, it is observed that most researchers explore Repli using a single programming language. Thus, this study focuses on students' experience using Repli for learning multiple programming languages and working collaboratively with their peers on real-time programming tasks. This study investigates the perception of users on the usefulness of Repli as a real-time platform for acquiring computer programming skills. Therefore, for the methodology, the study included a total of 153 students enrolled in the Diploma in Computer Science program at the UiTM Sarawak branch. These students had prior experience using Repli as a learning tool for various programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, and Scheme. Data was gathered from the respondents through the utilization of open-ended survey questionnaire, and in the open-ended questions, respondents were instructed to provide a comprehensive account of the positive and negative attributes they associated with Repli. Thematic analysis was employed to examine the open-ended responses, aiming to identify common themes and patterns within the feedback provided by the respondents. These are the results and discussion of this study. The survey findings indicate that the majority of respondents had a good perception of Repli. It can be observed that 67.97% of respondents expressed satisfaction with Repli's accessibility and user-friendly features. The platform has an intuitive, user-friendly interface and uses an internet-connected device. Repli is usable and can be accessed everywhere. The provided accessibility eliminates the need of on-site installation, therefore enabling respondents to execute the code promptly. Furthermore, the respondents also expressed that Repli encompasses diverse functionalities to facilitate code creation, which they believe could enhance the ability to generate higher quality code. The users also expressed satisfaction with Repli's efficient and user-friendly code compilation capabilities and ability to store and retrieve coding projects conveniently. A total of 47.71% of respondents indicated that Repli provides real-time collaborative coding functionalities that prioritize the ability to engage in simultaneous project work with peers, facilitate code sharing, and enable lecturers to provide a real-time feedback. The facilitation of mentoring and remote collaboration is enhanced by the ability to share Repli projects with others. In addition, 18.30% of respondents noted that Repli can quickly detect code errors, facilitating lecturers in collaboratively aiding students in resolving these issues. A total of 9.15% of respondents have expressed their recognition of the help provided by Repli for a diverse range of programming languages. The convenience of accessing these tools without the need for separate installation is highly valued. Nevertheless, despite the internet accessibility of Reply, there are also certain limitations associated with its usage. Respondents encounter challenges in utilizing the platform under circumstances of limited internet connectivity, leading to slow program compilation time. The item in question has garnered attention due to the study findings, which indicate that 26.80% of respondents expressed dissatisfaction with this aspect. Meanwhile, 25.49% of respondents reported experiencing program lag, leading to prolonged loading times and slow operations running. Despite the disadvantages and considering the proven benefits, Reply can be considered efficient with regard to its usability, time-saving capabilities, and ability to promote collaboration. For the conclusion, the findings showed that students have widely acclaimed Reply's interactivity and accessibility, promotes student engagement, and fosters a real-time collaborative learning environment. While Reply offers numerous advantages, it is worth considering that its performance may be affected by connectivity quality. Overall, Reply's accessibility, collaboration features, language support, integrated tools, and community engagement make it a useful platform for individual developers, teams, and educational institutions looking for an online coding environment. Further research can be undertaken to learn more about how project-based coding exercises and greater integration with the learning management system can enhance the teaching and learning experience for instructors and learners. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.